channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to use drop down list on your table in Confluence. So guys, if you want to use the drop down table in the Confluence, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all you go and select your column. In the column guys, here you see there is a drop down icon where you can check and select. Otherwise you simply go here and press slash. After slash you simply type the expand. Now here you see insert a expand. Now enter and give your expand. So like options and hit enter. Then you get option 1. Okay, and if you want to increase the width of your table, you just increase like this, option 1, then same as for the option 2. Okay, and guys, if you would do something more actions on this, so guys, here is a drop down menu. So you move up, you copy the link to the section, you also change the format, and you ask for the row. So this is the AI. If you get something related to the AI, you get more description and you put on something on it, so you use the use of AI. Now here you see when I click on this, so here you see collapse my content. Now in my table there is a drop down menu, like this is my normal table. When I click on this, so it shows all my other options. Okay, so guys, this is the way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day. And guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.